Hey y'all, don't mind me, that was for my TikTok. Okay, so you want to start by moisturizing your face. Make sure it's moisturized and primed. Right now I'm putting on my primer. Priming. I did my eyebrows off camera because that takes just too much time. So, but my pencils are my favorite. NYX, Golden Bronze. The other one is some kind of Wet n Wild. And then my concealer and the LA Girl Pro Conceal, of course. Y'all know this is the best concealer ever on the market. I use Cool Tan and Fawn. I'm going to start with the MAC palette, the Mischief mix. Now what you see under my eye is the eyeshadow pads. You know, they help with fallout, and I want to use it for my winged eyeliner so it can be very precise, and so I won't get my eyeshadow everywhere. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette, Boss Smooth. I'm so excited, it's my first time using this. This is the first color I'm gonna be using, what I'm pointing to. It is color Persona, and it just looks like a glitter red to me. Okay, and this is a eyeshadow primer by Rimmel London, and I really liked it. It was my first time ever using this, and I really like the way that it primed my eyeshadow. Baby, tell me what you want. Okay, next I went over that with some NYX glitter primer because I'm finna start applying me some bomb ass glitter, okay, from Hard Candy. Okay, so as y'all can see, I kind of started feeling myself when the glitter popped on, cause baby, and there go the palette right there. I had this for years and I did not know how to use it because back then I didn't know you had to prime your eyelids with shit, you know. Okay, so I picked up my palette Boss Smooth again. I put in some kind of purple color, or you know, a transition dark color in the back. So y'all finna kind of edit this and skip this over. This is also something new I got a couple weeks ago. It's a purple eyeliner from shit. I don't know. Okay, and all that messiness you see, it looks kind of sloppy, but that's because it's getting on the pad, and that's what it's supposed to do. But when I take that pad off, it's not gonna look like that. Okay. Okay. Now what you see is my 3 favorite foundations. One by MAC, the Studio Fix Liquid, and Maybelline Fit Me. I have one Dewy Smooth and one Matte Poreless. Now I will not be using all 3, but I will be using 2 because you know if you black, not supposed to use 1 color. It's really supposed to use 3 colors, you know, to get that perfect color. And for some reason, some people don't know that. And you're also not supposed to get your exact color because for one, there's no foundation that is your exact color. You want to go a little bit lighter so when you start to like contour, add your powder so it can set. You know, it'll be the exact color, but you don't start with a darker foundation. You're supposed to go a little bit lighter, so in the end, it'll all tone out. But if you do makeup, you already know this, but this is for people who don't do makeup, so they don't know. They'll be like, oh, that's not your shade, da, 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 and all that, you know, other stuff. But I just feel like I'm looking real crazy right now. I was like laughing because it was so funny, but you know, you trust the process. But I look like Scar from Lion King right here. You know, my eyes look so dark. Okay, so I'm going in with my concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think this was Cool Tan because I got Fawn and Cool Tan. I apologize for doing too much cussing in this video, but this is like my personality and I'm real goofy and silly, so it's just slipping out, but I'm trying not to though, like for real. Now I just got my wet beauty blender and I'm blending. Make sure it's wet, but not too wet. Blending, that's what he said. Oh my god, like I remember when I was in school, we used to say that all the time. I don't know if kids still say that, but it was like dudes and females, like anytime something that sounded like you was talking about something else but it sounded sexual, you would just be like, that what she said or that what he said. But moving on, I am contouring with the lip gloss. Yes, this is a very dark lip gloss by NYX. It's called Slip Tease in the color Beyond Basic. I do not like how it looks on my lips, but it's perfect for when I'm doing a contour. And I actually have some dark contour concealer, but I like using this one better because it's not Banana Banana Luxury setting powder. If you are OG in the makeup game, you already know where I get this from. Aaliyah J. And I don't had it for like maybe 3 or 4 years or something like that. Because that's who I used to watch to learn makeup. Aaliyah J and Brianna Marie. Okay, but you want to put your setting powder anywhere where you put concealer at, or anywhere where you use liquid at, because if you don't set your makeup, your foundation, everything, then your face will be oily, everything will mix, and it will not be cute. Ew. Okay, and this is one of my favorite bronzing powders. This is by Black Radiance. I think it's called Golden Almond, and it is beautiful. It brings back the skin tone, you know, because when you use setting powder, it kind of leaves the ashiness. So that's what bronzing is for. You bronze with a cute setting powder that's a little bit darker than your skin tone, but then, you know, just kind of feather it everywhere. And I think I forgot to say, don't forget to get under your neck and around your neck, because you don't want a makeup line. You know, that is so 90s and 80s. We don't do makeup lines no more. Now to my favorite part. Yes, I love highlighter. Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio. And this is a Black Radiance liquid highlighter. Oh my God, these are my favorite. Like, I love to highlight. I over highlight. Yeah, I'm that girl. Like, you're going to see me glossing, shining, everything. I highlights to the gods. I know when I used to work at Zaxby's, the customers would be like, oh my God, your face is so glowy and so shiny. Like, for one, I got a natural shine to my face, but then I used to add this dang on highlighter. But back then, I used to use some kind of Wet n Wild. I think it was Precious Petals. I used to use that one back in the day. So I saw me put some dang on highlighter in my booty chin. That's why I started laughing. But this is my NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish setting spray. This is one of my favorite setting sprays these days. I think it's like $8. I don't know. Okay, next, y'all. I already know what's next. Last but not least, my second favorite thing is lashes. And I'm not finna cheat on myself, so I'm rocking my own lashes. Lash by Kia. Get to it. Lashbykia.myshopify.com _ Lash by Kia on Instagram. Lash by Kia on Facebook. Lash by Kia on TikTok. I rip me head to toe. Okay? Okay, enough being ratchet. Now I'm finna brush my lashes with my one that I get all my customers, you know. We get a cute little lash one because we that, you know, that big. So I'm brushing my lashes because I think I wore these before. The ones I showed y'all was a different pair. But yeah, I'm finna wear these, the ones I wore last night, because they was popping. And I'm finna skip over this process. Y'all know how to put on lashes. Like, it's 2020. Okay, so I'm finna go in with my lip liner, eyeliner, whatever it is, you know, but it's not the 90s, so I'm not gonna just leave it there by itself, just send there, you know what I'm saying? Gotta go in with my NYX. I love these three. These are my favorite. The first one I'm gonna go in with is the Madeline. Is it Madeline? The brown one, the dark brown one, Madeline. Yeah, these are the butter glosses. I gotta be clear, butter gloss, because NYX, they got a lot of different lip gloss. And the second one is gonna be Fortune Cookie. I'm gonna go in with Fortune Cookie. That is like really light. It looks like a butterscotch mixed with some vanilla ice cream. Yeah, it smells so good, y'all. I think I had to start sniffing it. I don't know if y'all see me sniffing it. It smells good. And then the last one I'm gonna go in with is Tiramisu. It's like a light pink, but not too dark, because I can't stand them dark colors. Okay, now what you see me doing is flexing, because, you know, I slay all day. Like, I don't even know why girls are bothered at this point. Like, it's me. I win. You know what I'm saying? Kia the God, Kia Lewinsky. But anyway, now okay, so the kissing booth is open for business, and I'm finna get my kiss.